Second one today.
The most deadliest effects are like devastating your muscle issues. If you get bitten by this snake, there are chances for you to have even one of your kidneys going dysfunctional, and also you basically die from a heart attack by end of it, from cardiac arrest, and your blood vessels explode, and that's why there's so much swelling when you get bitten by vipers. Okay, they have a venom property which is hematoxin. Kills all the blood cells. So that's what it basically does. What kind of the alarming is it is slowly like stand very far away, okay? Just get down a little bit.
Guys, get down, please. Get down.
Okay, this is the ideal color pattern of a Russell's viper, which is you can see there's oval blotches on the skin. And there are different colors to it also, not necessarily all the time it will be the same color, it might be a little dark or less. Where it lives.
Move guys, let him come down please.
Just give him a lot of space.
Mummy.
You got it last time? Yeah. That sound I can hear.
So Kali was recently bitten by one of the snakes about a week ago, and he's comfortably catching another.
Yeah.
They do that if they get enough grip. Depends what kind of stick you use. If you use a rough one, then they get a metal. This one? Okay, the snake. There is a myth that if it spits, your muscle tissue starts to degrade, which is not true. Like I said, the snake venom has to get in contact with your blood to react. Okay, this makes such a hissing noise. It hisses very loudly as an alarm, like how a cobra spits. This hisses, huh? You need to psych the snake.
This is a small one, right?
This is fully grown adult, no?
Fully grown adult.
The maximum size it grows.
This is the maximum size?
It grows a little thicker and longer also. I've got a 6-foot one actually. That's like huge, man. That. This is a very cheeky snake, okay? I've understood this. Grip
Was leave it now.
okay, so you guys, it's India's snake which has the largest 2 centimeters.
No, it doesn't.
I think I can just move. Let him take some pictures.
Okay, shall we just give it?
If it bites itself, like nothing will happen.
Its blood is also red colored.
No, it's not blood.
No, it is blood.
You can't see now.
He's asking where go in front.
This is gone inside.
Ask him where he's really I stepped on like this. I don't know. I just saw the dry leaf. I cannot see anything. Usually most of the okay. This is so maybe you cannot see that one. Yeah, exactly. Both standing still here.
सांस बंद कर
Yo, मुझे पागल है एक्टिंग कर रहा ऐसा ही ट्रिक मुंडे डर रहा ट्रिक मुझे पागल सेंटर ए
Guru.
Guru, they're asking
Guru
about
still
you.
looks fine. And
Come on, question for you. What? He asked, do you know anyone who's got snake bite?
one. You guys know anybody talking about your relations, your friends, or anybody?
At least it's snake nowadays.
Any
Actually, yes.
Heard.
Heard.
like your relations or friends? Or
Yes.
Okay, how did the story go? Just put it in.
Yeah, it bit.
Bit him.
And
He was walking actually. Like anything. And somebody asked why you are walking. Somebody said that if I walk constantly, it will go down. But that's not. They said like you should relax. Then only
exactly.
Right.
it's going for the hospital. That's it.
That was the story. Chinna story.
Beautiful. It's
Okay, short and sweet.
somebody.
My PowerPoint is not fully compiled, guys. I'm sorry about this. Excuse me here.
Problem.
No time, basically. Thing is, now how do you guys describe a venom? In a ways, it can be called as a digestive enzyme for a snake, or it can be called as a mixture of proteins and toxins. Okay. Now, protein have different properties which works out good for an animal, and toxins are the ones which have the properties. As for us, it's toxins. We call it toxins because it creates damage. But the damage has a purpose when it's injected into a food prey or a prey item like a rat or a bird or a lizard or a frog to digest it. Because venomous snakes are absent of digestive system. In terms of, for us there is a digestive system, and digestive enzymes are shot out from different parts of the stomach and then digest. But for a snake that thing is absent. So that's the purpose of venom. Basically what a venom does is it digests the food that it eats. Okay? And the same impact is what happens when you get bitten by a snake. Your muscles also get digested because venom has that property. Now if you see a snake bite and Kali, now what happened was Kali was bitten by a Russell's viper. He was bitten by a saw-scale viper. Okay, this is the impacts of it. Okay, so what? Yeah. You guys. Quite some time back. Now what we are seeing is basically venom taking its digestive effect on the muscles here, muscles and bones. So it is completely disintegrated, okay. That's what happens when you get bitten by a snake. Now even for a saw-scale viper, the impact is so much. For a Russell viper, there are cases where you have to take the whole limb and throw it away because it's of no use. It's completely eaten out. Your bones, your muscles, your skin, everything gets digested. That's the impact of a Russell viper's bite, deadly bites. So venom property is to digest a muscle tissue so that it gets out in the form of excrete. It's a normal thing, okay, for a snake. For us, it acts a little negative on our system because it has toxins. Now, different snakes have different venom. Different venom has different properties and different depending on which snake, and even the venom depends on what the snake eats, where the snake lives, and all of that. Okay. Now, I was just talking to a few people before I shared it all to all of you that based on the prey items, the toxicity of the venom varies. Toxicity means the poison level in the thing. Like for example, now Russell viper is a rat eater or a frog eater or a lizard eater. Now these are fast creatures, right? They have their own ways to move about. Frogs jump, they hop and go, and rats because blink they're that fast. Lizards also do pretty much the same thing. So the venom should be so toxic enough to put this animal down before it escapes from the reach of that animal. So that's why the venom reacts so fast in everyone's body, because it's so toxic, so that no matter the creature is like really fast in mobility, it has to be incapacitated so that it can go and eat it. If you look at a sea snake venom, they are more poisonous, so highly 10 to 15 times more dangerous than a normal cobra venom because they have to catch fish inside. These are the worst, and fish is much faster than any other animal on the planet. So the venom should be so deadly enough to incapacitate the fish within a few minutes so that it can eat it, or else some other animal might eat it as well. So that is the main property of venom, to give a more scientific perspective about it. Now, snake bite. Okay, it's been in India there are roughly about 2 lakh people, 200,000 people getting bitten by a snake, and only 50,000 of them died. Okay, that is the current data, because in hospitals they take snake bite as just a poison. They don't take it as a snake bite specifically. You go to hospital and admit, the casualty report will say just poison. Okay, it won't say like poison. We don't have accurate data, but from what we have acquired so far, there's 200,000 people in India get bitten by snakes, out of which 50,000 people die. The fact is there are more people dying from a road accident than a snake bite, which we all know. And taking a bike outside is more dangerous than you have to walk in the wilderness without a shoe. There are cases where you can walk back home, but bike, no one is sure that what happens.